Dear students, we are doing comparison of numbers. Case 1. When the number of digits is different, the number which have more digits is always greater. We can compare the digits and we can find out which number is greater. Now, one example related to different digits. Compare 9,750 and 42,792. In 9,750, there are 4 digits, and in 42,792, there are 5 digits. Therefore, we can easily compare that 5-digit number is greater than 4-digit number. Therefore, 9,750 is less than 42,792. Case 2. When the number of digits is same. When we have two numbers having same number of digits. Compare the digits starting from the left. The number with the greater digit on the left is greater. Example related to same number of digits, 50,712 and 28,641. In this, we will compare the extreme left digits. 5 is extreme left digit in 50,712 and 2 is the extreme left digit in 28,641. 5 is greater than 2. Therefore, 50,712 is greater than 28,641. When the digits in the extreme left place of both the numbers are the same, then compare the second digit from the left and so on. For example, 65,809 and 68,930. Extreme left digits are same. In both the cases 6 is there. So we have to compare second digit from the left, that is 5 in 65,809 and 8 in 68,930. 5 is less than 8. Therefore, 65,809 is less than 68,930. Now, by comparing numbers, we will talk about how to write ascending order and descending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means the order of numbers from the smallest to the greatest number, or you can say biggest number. Descending order. Descending order means to write the numbers from greatest to the smallest number. Ascending order. Ascending order means smallest number to biggest number. Now, with the help of example, we will make clear how to write numbers in ascending order. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order: 25,277, 14,213, 14,245, 25,291 and 14,230. In the given example, we will compare the numbers because number of digits are same, so we will compare the extreme left digits of the numbers. 14,213 will be written on the first place. After that 14,230, then 14,245. After that 25,277 and last number will be 25,291. Descending order. Descending order means writing the numbers from biggest to smallest number. With the help of an example, we will make clear how to write numbers in descending order. Arrange the following numbers in descending order: 25,277, 14,213, 14,245, 25,291, and last 14,230. When the number of digits are same, we have to compare the extreme left digits, and if extreme left digits are same, then we have to compare the second digit from the left, and so on. So 25,291 will be the greatest number and will be written on the first place. Then after that 25,277, after that 14,245, then 14,230, and last number will be 14,213 for descending order. In this way, we can compare the numbers and we can write the numbers in ascending order and descending order. Thank you.